I'm gonna do a quick review on the Alesis Elevate 5 powered studio speakers. They're not that expensive, but they are outstanding. They are really outstanding. You get a lot of value for your money. I have seen and heard speakers that were twice as expensive, and well, honestly, they didn't really make the sound that these do. Because sorry, I don't speak English as a first language, so my English is kind of fucked. But I have heard more expensive speakers, way more expensive, that sounded the same or maybe better. You know, of course, it's 5-inch. Actually, it's 4.3-inch. So they kind of exaggerate on the package and then the ads. But okay, well, I don't give a shit. It sounds good. Yeah, well, I'm gonna play some music. I'm gonna show the rear of the speaker. You know, on the left side there's the power. The black plug on the right of it goes to the other speaker, and then you have you know, two tulip shit connected to a jack on my computer. These are not the standard cables that go to the computer, because they look like you know, 20 cents cables. So I got some better, and I already have better ones than these that I have right now, but I don't feel like replacing everything because it sounds okay. Further, I have them connected to a external sound card, which is connected and fed by a powered USB hub. So this gets its power from you know, like the computer, from the, I don't know what it's called, the plug, whatever, the wall. So it doesn't have to use the power from the USB, because it's fucked up. My mic is also connected to this one, so I get a lot of less background noises, and my voice is picked up a lot better, because this is USB mic, Behringer C1U, and it just doesn't get enough power from the USB on its own, so you have to put it in a powered hub. But okay, I'm gonna play some music now, just some random songs.
Hey Jonathan.
Hey man.
Oh, and there's a bass button on the back, but you know, if you switch it you can get more bass, but all it does is boost the lower frequencies, of course. So, you know, it doesn't make a 5-inch woofer 8-inch. So don't expect awesome bass, like thumping, you know, subwoofer bass, but every hertz it can display, it displays it awesome. And everything I mix on here, after that I listen on the radio in the car, or on my stereo, on my home cinema set, and it's almost perfect. And my previous speakers, I had it perfect on my speakers, and I had to walk around 2 weeks with different kind of players, media players, to make the final mastering adjustments, because I mainly use them for mastering, recording vocals, putting the vocals in the track. So, but for that they are awesome, more than awesome.
Cold enough to chill my bones. It feels like I don't know you anymore. I don't understand why you're so cold to me. With every breath you breathe, I see there's something going on. I don't understand why you're so cold. Are we taking time or time out? I can't take the in-between. Asking me for space here in my house. You don't know how to fuck with me. Acting like we're not together. After everything that we've been through, sleeping up under the covers. How am I so far away from you, distant? When we're kissing, feel so different. Baby, tell me, how did you get so cold enough to chill my bones? It feels like I don't know you anymore. Judge me, 'cause if you did, baby, I judge you too.
It's like she's here in this room.
I got issues, but you got them too.
My issue.
You're mad at me, and I'm mad at you. Bask in the glory of our problems. 'Cause I push you out and you come right back. Don't see a point in blaming. If I were you, I'd tell me you got a fetish for my love.
Well, that's it, that's enough. I'm more than satisfied with it. It's absolute 5-star rating out of 5.